amatriciana, with or without onions.
Okay, do not let's discuss about this. Every city has got his own best recipe for pasta. But let me say, to state definitively, original amatriciana is without onion and carbonara is without garlic. Please do not dare to ask ketchup or cream on carbonara, and it's not the bacon, it's the cheek of the pork. That's our tradition. Every city you can eat something that sounds or tastes probably strange, but what about have a breakfast in Trieste with a sandwich with tripes, or lampredotto, a kind of tripe with a glass of wine for breakfast in the morning, or in Palermo bread and panelle, a lovely surprise that you had, or discover the difference in Sicily between the east and west coast, the bowl of rice, arancino or arancina, with different fantastic flavor and taste. And in every city you will discover something with his own wine. Do not forget to taste local wine with local food in every different cities. And 20 regions means at least 60 wines and 60 different ways to have food. A bit fat maybe after you have been in Italy, but a long walk will make you burn calories.